Been carrying things I don't always show. Every road leave dust on my shoes. Every step takes something too. But when I reach you, I lay it down. All the weight I drag around. No questions waiting at the door. Just peace I didn't know before. You don't ask me to be strong. You don't tell me to explain. You just give me space to breathe, and that take away the strain. You're where I rest, where I unwind, where my heart don't guard its mind. No armor on, no walls to defend. Just me as I am in the end. You're where I rest, where I'm okay, where the noise of life fade away. When the world feel heavy on my chest, you're where I rest. I've known love that never settled, always moving, never still. But you don't make me chase a feeling. You don't bend me to your will. You don't rush the healing process. You don't count the time it takes. You just stay present in the moment, and that's more than I could ask. You don't need to save the day. You don't need to fix my past. You just hold me in the now and make the quiet last. You're where I rest, where I unwind, where my heart don't guard its mind. No armor on the walls to defend. Just me as I am the end. You're where I rest, where I'm okay, where the noise of life fade away. When the world feel heavy on my chest, you're where I rest. If love is shelter, let it be kind, not something I'm afraid to find. I don't need a perfect place, just somewhere safe to lay my faith. No storms reaching where we stand, just come moving hand in hand.